Napa County Bakery has received one of the most precious endorsements in the food world. As ConsumerWatch reporter Julie Watts shows us, it's causing sales to rise.
Jenner and Bowden and Oprah Winfrey have something in common. Neither can live without these English muffins from Napa Valley's Model Bakery.
They're amazing. They're fresh, warm.
The muffins, which look a bit like donuts, are once again on Oprah's list of favorite things. This, the second year in a row.
Well, it's pretty big for us.
Bakery owner Sarah Hansen says though they do have nooks and crannies, these aren't your typical English muffins.
They're made with a focaccia type of dough, so they're very light and airy. And we roll them in cornmeal, and then we hand griddle them on the stovetop in clarified butter, about an inch of butter. So they're basically fried.
Tasty and multi-purpose.
They toast really good. You can do jam, butter, or cream cheese, or you could do hamburger buns.
Sarah says the coveted endorsement from one of the world's most famous foodies has sent online sales skyrocketing.
Another 1,000 to 2,000 English muffins a day.
And she says the timing couldn't have been better. The wine country wildfires last month forced her bakery to close during one of the busiest times of year.
It was a rough couple weeks.
Though now they're back in business with this endorsement moving muffins online and out the door.
I have two little sick kids at home today, and their special request that made them feel better is they wanted their English muffins.
And Oprah wants hers too.
Our housekeeper, she emails me once a month when Oprah needs more muffins.
On the Consumer Watch, Julie Watts, KPIX 5.
Oprah's list this year includes peach preserves made by the Cliff family in St. Helena.